Miss Universe India Grand Finale na izo taka Mizoram State I.O. Miss Universe Mizoram la rin chani chuan Miss Popular Award la in Top 21 aluta. Miss rin chani hian Miss Wonderla subtitle rondong bokin. Chumai baka Miss Universe India thanna a Mizoram chu kumthum azona top 20 alang thei omchun kan ni a. He record thirin chani hian aron siam bokani. Tuntuma hian grand finale zana thil thleng langsar zual te kan en hodon baka Miss Universe India sangni somni paruka thantak Kerala nula chelaule na chungchuang zet mai kazalis measure in crown akhum tak dan te thlengin kan en hodon ani lirthaya ezong mi te ta na thulom om Joseph Automobiles chuan Mizoram chung nge ya Volvo HR commercial vehicle showroom le servicing changtlung tak an hongta e motor lian chi shang ke pali nei changa ke som paruk nei thlengin kan kola Mizoram avoi khatnan 2.6 cubic meter air brake mang aron chuak ta bok motor chaksi kongchia le nalngam diesel he si lo enkol hau tak lo Volvo technology thuam nge hilo bel chiang la servicing le spare parts a po boina tura omlo service station tuiria la kan hong thar bok Joseph Automobiles zema bok berolui veng tongtrai na mall bula hian lo leng lut vela offer chatak kan lo pedon chenia she chian du nei tan phone number Thlirletna hian call mai turani e
We gon' take the crown, hold it down.
Opening dance munom taka grand finale hi chan ni in chumi nu a contestant te chuan introduction anron nei zui ngalani
MUI 1 Arya Madikar Maharashtra MUI 03 Dr. Ahina Datta Tripura MUI 05 Anshika Chaudhary Rajasthan MUI 07 Anubha Vashish Chaudhary Uttarakhand MUI 08 Anushri Satavlekar Gujarat MUI 13 Dipali Riya Jharkhand MUI 15 Harshita Sahu Madhya Pradesh
Don't hand me a maybe when the thing is already burning.
MUI 18 Kezia Liz Majo Kerala MUI 19 Kumari Nikita Bihar MUI 20 Lalrin Thani Mizoram
chumi nuwa chuan contestant zong te chu stage a anom khom le veka
You were born and you can't choose a job or the postcode either.
sub contest winners te puan ania heta hian subtitle puan masak ber Miss Wonderla subtitle dong tura Mizoram ming puan a han ni thut chu kan lo in ring man lo ava han nom mai tak
Miss Wonderla by Wonderla Holidays Limited, and the winner is
And the winner is a beautiful soul, a beautiful personality. That winner is Lalrin Chani.
Rinsani hi a personality chat wangte midang te ne na inlai chin na tha asiam thiam wangte ami je du omle ama angai nat om em wangte a he award hi hlan ania kan lom pui tak zeta kan lo lom em ani Rinsani chian cha em le modeling ati chhauna konga atho pui chin photographer chatak mai armala chuan Miss Universe India thanna nei ani chantir khan Rinsani mizia hetiang hian alo soi to a Rinsani hi chiang ula chu hei ai hian in support le zwalen karingani ril ru tluang deuh pur no pang chia ru deuh tak fani deuh chong deuh phong chi thu oi tak mi za thiam em eng po soila eng tin ponzil ma ila ma ni in siam chatna na mang thei zel ani a in la vei lo tak Luangliam lo tak mai ani ram hnuaia shooting kan nei chang te po in hills nen a chebor bor mai chin ani ni kumlama kan shit don po in lomu maro o katia tlaida rukvela kava biak chuan alomu feldiam to tin meichia aya mi pa kom tam jok thin ani awang hian achezia reng reng hi ano lo hi ani topa ama top hi bro ani mai ti in asoyani tiang chuan ami ze in la veivel lo tak chuan midang te zinga atang nel tir ma in mi in an ngainahma em ema he title hi adon pha ani nge yang ti po arin thiam theiani.
Miss Wellness from the state of Manipur is Ngaihnawm.
Tichuan subtitle award chang zinga hian Beauty with Purpose to contestant number 15 Harshita Saho Madhya Pradesh nula chuan la in achan po organizer te buat sai charity atana anram mi puiten donation an tho khom tamber wanga he award hi dong ania he award la tu hian direct in top 10 alu ton ti na ani tichuan subtitle award an sem zo nuwa chuan top 21 te puan chun som ngal ania thodep te pin kan lo thlir deuh mai. Contestant number 7 Anubha Vasist Uttarakhand. Contestant number 5 Anshika Chaudhary Rajasthan. Contestant number 15 Harshita Sahu Madhya Pradesh. Contestant number 8 Anusri Sataflekar Gujarat. Contestant number 13 Dipali Riya Jharkhand. Contestant number 52 Vaishnavi Ganesh Tamil Nadu. Contestant number 48 Tejaswani Srivastava Maharashtra. Contestant number 35 Sanwaka Surok Meghalaya. Contestant number 27 Pramiti Rana Delhi. Contestant number 31 Riya Turkey Jharkhand. Contestant number 39 Simar Khaneja Union Territory. Contestant number 49 Thado Yomnam Manipur. Contestant number 41 Snehal Rawat Himachal Pradesh. Contestant number 44 Sritara Pasricha Haryana. Contestant number 25 Pinky Basumatari Assam. Contestant number 38 Shriya Bedia Madhya Pradesh. Contestant number 42 Spurti Shetty Karnataka. Contestant number 45 Swati Nadial Himachal Pradesh. Contestant number 51 Umanga Kumawat Madhya Pradesh. Contestant number 18 Kazialis Mejo Kerala. Contestant number 21 Lekana Hegde Karnataka te anni. Chutia top 21 na larin chani ming alan ve tak lawa chuan zoram mi buite kan boy suaw na ngei mai Miss Popular Award kha kandong do na niang ati chu ngai tu ana a aron luta result chu aron langvat reng bok.
Who is Miss Popular Choice of Miss Universe India?
It is representing the incredible state
Of Mizoram, right there, Miss Thlirletna.
Miss Popular Award to contestant number 20 Larin Chani Mizoram chuan la in top 21 zinga puantel kan ni a tichuan an vahin top 22 an lo ni ta ani top 22 a than chhuah te hi an thlang thiam em a an nalin an chelo hlom tak zet borua ka san chho dan tur chu kan suang to thiam mai ome heti lai hian thilom om deuh mai chu Mizoram hian record siamin Miss Universe India thanna a kumthum a zona placement nei thei om chun kan ni a hei hi achievement ro pui tak ni in soifau chin angin top tur hi chuan notice state atang hi chuan beise nei san a har kan ti to kha chuti lai hin kumthum ngot top 20 a minglang thei kan ni chuan engtik nia emo invor dor hon hi kan la nei nge yang ti arin theya chumai ba ka pageant industry a Mizoram ming hi a ring tel don ti a sha thiam theya ni ti chuan judge te chu stage a kau chhuakin kom na toy an neya Susmita Sen chuan lom a hlo fal hle.
Good evening, namaste, ladies and gentlemen. Well, actually, it was 32 years ago. It will be 33 this year. Time flies, ladies and gentlemen, and a platform like this represents that face that will represent us on a global level, on an international platform. We're not just changing the life of a little girl, we are changing the face of India. And for that, a huge round of applause for everyone.
Thank you once again for gracing us with your presence.
Well, a huge round of applause for our history maker, Miss Susmita Sen. I request our jury to also take your seats right away because, you know, the competition is inching closer and closer to our crowning moments. Ladies and gentlemen, iconic queens on stage. What a historic moment. Two women have created history for our country, gracing us and their beautiful presence today. Up next, we have the man behind the show, Director Glamanand Group and National Director Miss Universe India, Mr. Nikhil Anand.
Whenever there's too much of workload, just make sure that you'll never get angry. Because in anger, we speak things which can never be taken back, and it can actually haunt you for life, and it can actually make you regret that you said things in anger. So it's better that we decide that we'll not get angry. And I think that's the whole mantra, that stay calm no matter how chaotic the situation gets.
Sumihnu chuan contestant somni pahnih te chuan swimsuit manga in elna an ron nei le a. An hmuh nom hlom tai tai khop mai. Kornoi le ke korte in ang vek an ron ha chua ke ro nui deu suk a olviawa amoi lo lampo ni lo ma ni ta lo lak pal a lo don e mai ti vel te mai ngai to ana a lo lut Ti chuan top 11 puan ania. Contestant number 31 Ria Turkey, Jharkhand. Contestant number 44 Sritara Pasricha, Haryana. Contestant number 25 Pinky Basumatari, Assam. Contestant number 18 Kazialis Mejo, Kerala. Contestant number 8 Anusri Sataflekar, Gujarat. Contestant number 7 Anubha Vasist, Uttarakhand. Contestant number 5 Anshika Chowdhury, Rajasthan. Contestant number 13 Dipali Ria, Jharkhand. Contestant number 48 Tejaswani Srivastava, Maharashtra. Contestant number 52 Vaishnavi Ganesh, Tamil Nadu te ania. Contestant number 15 Harshita Sahu, Madhya Pradesh hi Soitak Angkhan. Beauty with purpose mga top 10 na tling ti na ani ka. Tisuan an vayin mi som pakhat anita ani. Top 11 na hiyan Northeast State at nga contestant zong tizi nga. Asama nga tel contestant number 25 Pinky Basumatari zawin top 11 akay theya. Northeast mi te hi chuti khati tia soi neu om chin hi. Soi zom neu chak om viaw na a. Soi ve neu ri law mayang o. Ti chuan competition nei le ma in state shanga state I o tur thlan na lo buat sai chin tu. State director zong te chu pangpar hlan na nei ania.
Next up, we have our State Director of Mizoram, Mr. Amos M.S. Dangzuala.
Heta hian Mizoram State kan hau tu pa. State Director Amos M.S. Dongzela po in he pangpar hidongin moi takin state siya aron in lana. Tilan may palsi anilawani. Ani hi Mizo te tane pageantry kong sial tu poimo atak ani awangin. Zoy moy apu tak zeta. At ho rim na le akong lau siya lavanga, Mizo may tiyaten ra bithar an kai thay chen vangin, afak tak zetani. Tituan top 11 tituan evening gown round in Elna andron naile ta. Contestant number 5, Anshika Chowdhury, Rajasthan aron inland masabera, aron na utsuak le. Agawn fual lutuk chuan harsat na asyam ni inalang.
I am sat here thinking of you once again. Songs in my head now, they all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You
Contestant number 7 Anubha, Uttarakhand. Contestant number 8 Anusri, Gujarat.
loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine.
Contestant number 13 Dipali Ria, Jharkhand.
I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my life.
Contestant number 15 Harshita Sahu, Madhya Pradesh. Contestant number 18 Kazialis Mejo, Kerala.
To call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life.
Contestant number 25 Pinky, Assam.
Loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine.
Contestant number 31 Ria Turkey, Jharkhand. Hey po hi akur fual hian akala ti khai lak le chep chin.
You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my
Contestant number 44 Sri Tara, Haryana. Contestant number 48 Tejaswani, Maharashtra.
my everything. You are my life. You
Contestant number 52 Vaishnavi, Tamil Nadu.
loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end,
Titsuan top 11 Titsu stage ha ronding swak le avekin question and answer round mga in el na na izuiti ran ni. Unjudged ming po fu te atanga zo na zo ania. Judge te zo na la su asay lomin siat a han har chin khopa. Host chuan a soifia nun sak fawangay. Sap trong vekin ale lin saka a shil fia le chin. A boy thak chin kop mai.
Most Miss Universe India winners attempt to transition into Bollywood. with varying degrees of success. Does the peasant actually equip women for long-term leadership or career success, or does it simply provide a one-year contract and a launch pad for the entertainment career that may not pan out?
Sir, could you please repeat the question?
Could you please repeat? Yeah.
Sure.
Please repeat each word as a little slower, sir.
Okay. I want to ask you that, like most Miss Universe India winners attempt to transition into Bollywood with varying degrees of success. Does the peasant actually equip women for long-term leadership or career success? Or does it simply provide a one-year contract and a launch pad for an entertainment career that may not pan out?
Okay. Did you hear the question? Okay, I think the gist of it, and correct me if I'm wrong, is that you said many pageant contestants go on to Bollywood, to acting careers. Does this pageant represent to you 1 year of fame, or does it represent leadership, correct? And an opportunity for long-term growth. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Thank you for the question, sir. So,
Chumi nuwa chuan kan chuan Esther namte aron perform ta a Celine Dion la I'm Alive ti abul ron tanin Made in India a aluta J ho in a car le bawk.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive. Hello, Jaipur!
Esther Zailai hian judge panel lam an lo che hot ema an dinga an lo lam puya Sushmita ti ho chuan nuam an ti mel khop mai amuna chuan arirum rumanga anuam via wangle
वीर होते पैदा है हिंदुस्तान की जमीन भाषा अनेक दिल में यकीन
Nima sila online en tute ta niro an sound fum fe lo zeta wang chuan a ha nga zai ang hialin an mix fu lawa beng afa lo zo vek Nima sila amuna omten an enjoy dana boruak chu anuam viau ani mel hle a Esteri po in lomah lo in kaini po in kan lo chuang tak zeta ni
जय हो
Chumi nuwa chuan Miss Universe India sangni somni panga Manika Vishwakarma chuan ahun nu hnung ron mangin final walk aron nei nu a nuk ul tewin thu aron sai zui bawk.
It's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You
Chumi nulia chuan top 5 than chwa anita amasabarin contestant number 52 Vaishnavi Ganesh Tamil Nadu chukau chwa ania contestant number 48 Tejaswani Maharashtra in Rondotin contestant number 18 Kazialis Mejo Kerala chuan arondot le a contestant number 8 Anusri Sataflekar Gujarat kau chwa le ni in contestant number 7 Anubha Vasist Uttarakhand te thlan chuan ni diktak chuan judge te hian an thang thiam ema contestant te hi an thahlom chiang tak zet to ani ti chuan top 5 te chu second somli chung thu soina hun pek ania top 5 te hian thu soi po an thiam hlom khop mai an pianal tak le an mel thatna pe a an fin na chu mu thein alang ati thayani chuta contestant dang zong te po chu stage a ko chwani in jingdar ni le achan vevela chuan crown in hlan turin engkim pe fel anita kan soichin zo stream apps kha lola mang velawin om takin mizo chonga le lin movie chi sang fia taka en theina ani kha film modam tak en tur omin then khat te phei chu a thlona en theya da ani ba ka chengklem te soya en tur film chuak thar modam tak a om bokani zo stream mi Android apps ni in Android Smart TV a po install a en thei ania lo subscribe in lo mangve cheu don nia National Director Nikhil Anand chu result ron puang tura kau swani in result chu aron puang tamol mot mai
The fourth runner-up is contestant number 7, Anubhav Vasisht.
Fourth runner-up to contestant number 7, Anubhav Vasisht, Uttarakhand, Ania. Third runner-up to contestant number 48, Tejaswani Srivastava, Maharashtra, Ani. Second runner-up contestant number 8, Anusri Sataflekar, Gujarat Pwani in Pani Itsaw Anbang ta. Thinpu deb pin contestant Pani Tetsu Anin Kaya, light anti-team de Uruay bok.
Ladies and gentlemen, the new Miss Universe India is contestant number 18, Kezia Lesmazo.
Miss Universe India Sani Somni Paruk chu contestant number 18, Kazialis Mejo Ani Ti Puan Ani Zuan. Lom wangin at nukaul ti alang chiang le ani.
Loved you from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye I can't forget. Every single day you know you shine, shine. In the end I know that we just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You are my
Chuan contestant number 52, Vaishnavi Ganesh, Tamil Nadu chu first runner-up ni in ani hi Miss International thlanna a India IO in atelanga Miss Universe India Sani Somni Paruk Kazialis Mejo hi Miss Universe Sani Somni Paruk thlanna Puerto Rico na itura India IO in atsuak don ta ani tuna chuan in elna borak sang tak chu alo top ta a November tha a Miss Universe Sani Somni Paruk thlanna a India hian enge kan anirin kan thave avu in TM in ngai dan te comment lama in lo soi ve don ya o